Yeah. Bitcoin's crashing. Get out. You need to sell everything. Put it in tether, man. It's getting crazy out here. Hey, man. Dog, man, I'm telling you right now, we need to put everything in tether. This market hasn't bottomed out yet. I think Bitcoin's going to like 5,000. 5,000, yeah. Man, Bitcoin ain't going to 5,000. Look what happened in Ethereum this morning. This morning, Ethereum was at 570. It dropped down to 492 in seconds. That's scary right there, man. It kind of came back, man, but this market, I don't even call this a bear market. I call this a damn gorilla market.
Hi guys, quick update here for YouTube. So obviously Bitcoin's in a gorilla market. Now we have found the next Solana, the next 17,000% move coin. So if you want to join the group, now is the time to be joining. Obviously right now we're just shaking out the weak hands, but during this time of shaking out the weak hands, now is the time to join the group, because we're picking up on the next great thing, the next Brock Lesnar here. So we called Solana before anyone in the history of mankind at $4, and that's documented on the group. We were buying here at $4 undercover. We said it was going to go to 1,000. Obviously it's just double top tier and no one really cares about it. So if you want to know what the next Solana is, the next 17,000% move coin, come and join the group. We are buying over the last 24-48 hours. I can't give away the coin. If you want to join the group, it's still, I think, at very discounted prices. I mean, you might not get 17,000%. You're more like 16,000% if you join right now. But obviously, if you join tomorrow, that might be like, less than 10,000%. The coin is moving very, very well, and relative performance with Bitcoin is very high. So if you want to join the group, everything's here. Take the bundle offer if you want to have some education at the same time. You effectively get the group free if you buy the educational course. If you want to pay via crypto, just message me through the Facebook page, and obviously joining the group via the normal way, you can do it here over 1 and 3 months. So Bitcoin's not looking very good according to the Hodge twins. Let's just have a listen here and see how low they think it's going to go.
This is getting bad, man. We can put everything in tether. Hey, look. Let this market calm down. Listen to me what I'm telling you. We're losing everything. You need to put this stuff in tether, right? When the market bottoms out. Stop spitting on me, man. You need to listen, man. When the market bottoms out, then you jump back in. Just put it in tether for now, because we losing everything, man. This is getting crazy, man. Hey, man, I think we should hold, man. Hold? Ain't holding nothing. Tell you what, you hold your stuff. I'm gonna take half of your stuff. I'm gonna take the other half. I'm putting it in. Now, look, man, let's think about this now. Now, I've been thinking about this all night, man. You need to stop spitting on me. Man, I'm telling you, we need to put it in tether. Let's think about it. You put it in tether, right? The market keeps crashing, right? Market keeps crashing. Then when it hits that bottom around 3,000.
Right, so we're going to 3,000 there, maybe 2,496. So let's just have a look here. So yeah, we're just shaking out the weak hands who think we're dealing with something bullish. So once again, we sold the top, so 3,000 is all the way over here. Now, as I continue to mention, not only have we got the new Solana, 17,000% move. I mean, Bitcoin, even if it goes, how high would Bitcoin have to go to match that altcoin? This is, wow, this would have to go to about 75 billion, I think. So 17,000% altcoin. That would have to go to 17.5 million to match the altcoin. But even if you're just in Bitcoin, we have the exact wave count. No one has the exact wave count because it's so complicated, right? Look at the state of this chart from here. You can't tell me that the corrections are not getting more and more complex. Obviously, that's a rule of Elliot wave. It's very normal if you know the exact wave count. That's why no one's got a clue where this market is going. That's why we got out at 105. We've just found over the last 48 hours the next Solana. If you're not in the group, you've just missed out, right? This is the time to be joining the group. But regardless of that 17,000% altcoin, we have the exact wave count. Where's this going? 3K is all the way down here. It's not even here, it's here. We've got targets at 40K. We've got people out here on YouTube buying the gap randomly. And then we've got people out here calling Head and Shoulders a memes. No. They're not memes at all. They just have a very high negative failure rate. ABC, where do you think it's going to go? We have the exact wave count. And I know because I monitor everyone on YouTube and Twitter. While some of them are close, many of them haven't got a clue. Some of them are close, but they don't have the exact wave count. This is very complex wave count. This is not an easy one, right? And frankly, I don't blame him, right? But we've been around for a very long time. We've been doing this since '08. I mean, to call the top and the bottom, a full year before it occurred. But look how complex these are all getting. We got WXYs, we got A, B, C, D, E triangles. We got a double top in here. We've got this, right? Many people think they know the wave count to this, but they don't. It's actually incorrect. Then we've got this very strange looking WXY XZ pattern in here. It's getting very complex. If you want to join the group, now is the best time. We've got a 17,000% altcoin ready for you as soon as you join. Done a special in-depth video on that just today. Obviously, the market doesn't look very good right now. We know it's going to go down. I mean, who in their right mind really thought the market was never going to take this down? So it's a real shame. Like I said, if you take the bundled offer, you get the educational course and 3 months access to the group. So you can educate yourself whilst the market is falling. We are in a bear market. So at what point do you call it a bear market? At 80k, 90k? So according to everyone on YouTube comments, everyone's going to be buying at the gap. Right, fine. Start buying at the gap then, right? Is that enough of a correction? Right, I got one comment. I mean, it was something like, I forget exactly what this man said. He said something like, "Oh, he's just gone off the previous corrections. Let's just say arbitrarily, he's just gone off 77%. He's added it onto the presumed top, which he thinks is here. It's like, okay, I'm just gonna start buying at exactly 24k. It's like, sorry, mate, that's not how this game works. You can't just go off the last correction. You have to know the full wave count because the previous corrections have been more than 77%. So DCA, what does that even mean? DCA, like, I just don't know what that means. Like, decided, uncontrollable ass, right? I just don't know. It's like they're undecided. I mean, we should change that name to undecided, uncontrollable, emotional individuals with too much probate money. And it's a real shame. We have to know what the wave count is. We can't just DCA, otherwise this could go to 3k. I mean, what are you going to do? Are you going to DCA all the way down, right? Because I can't give away how low it's going to go, right? So DCAing is only useful if you have great long-term conviction on where it's going, right? We know everyone follows Plan Dennis Bergkamp's model. Well, good luck with that, right? So do you start DCAing here? What if it goes down to 3k? According to this guy on YouTube, he's just gone off the previous correction percentage-wise. He's got no idea about the size and the complexity of this correction. He's like, okay, I'm going to buy at 24k. Anything underneath that is a discount. Well, how long does it take to get there? We have the time as well. We know exactly where this is going and at what point. And we have very specific DCA targets. They're very specific. They're not just random, buying at that gap, buying at 77%. Even then, as you know, I don't DCA, right? We don't DCA here. We like to forecast the exact bottom, and we have that exact price. So, great time to be joining the group. I think a lot of people on Twitter and YouTube are just randomly guessing, and they think this is bullish. You cannot call that bullish. I mean, the last bit of hope that the bulls have is this is the count. I mean, come on, look at the state of that volume, right? And I've been warning the group since just before Christmas that, look, the couple of weeks over Christmas and New Year's, the real big boys who move these markets, they're not around. And when they come back, you're going to start seeing fireworks. But there's bigger, more macro fireworks which are going on, which once again, we discussed that in the group as well. There's very big macro shift going on currently. It's going on right now, which will obviously affect a lot of people in many different ways anyway. So there are many other reasons to be joining the group. Anyway, great time to be joining the group. We found the next Solano. Unbelievable call at $4. And I think we have found it. And by God, I think we have found it. 17,000% move. Best time to be joining the group. Come along.